Want to know why some days feel lucky and others don't? Our ancient Vedic sages have devised a method by name Tara Bala which explains this concept. Tara Bala literally means the strength of the stars. This is the cosmic connection between Janma Nakshatra and Gochara Nakshatra. What is this Janma Nakshatra and Gochara Nakshatra? Janma Nakshatra is the nakshatra in which a native is born as per his birth chart. So during your birth time, if moon is in Ashwini Nakshatra, then Ashwini becomes your Janma Nakshatra. And during the current day transit, if Chandra is in Aridra Nakshatra, then Aridra becomes your Gochara Nakshatra. So this cosmic connection between Ashwini Nakshatra to Aridra Nakshatra, that is Janma Nakshatra to Gochara Nakshatra, is what explained in Tara Bala will determine the day will be lucky to you or not. So in Tara Bala, we categorize all the 27 nakshatras based on your Janma Tara in 9 categories. So the first Tara is known as Janma Tara, the second one is Sampat Tara, third one is Vipat Tara, fourth is Kshema Tara, fifth one is Pratyari Tara, the sixth one is Sadak Tara, seventh one is Naidhana Tara, eighth one is Mitra Tara, and ninth one is Atimitra Tara. Suppose for person born in Ashwini Nakshatra, Ashwini, Makha and Mula, all the 3 Ketu Nakshatras based on the Adhipati of the Nakshatra becomes the Janma Tara, which gives mixed results. But the second Nakshatra from there, that is Bharani, Purvashada and Purva Palguni, all the 3 Shukra Nakshatras will become Sampat Taras. So any activity done on the day where moon is in Bharani, Purva Palguni and Purvashada will give amazing amount of monetary benefits for person born in Ashwini Nakshatra. Similarly, if he does the activity on Aridra, Swati and Shatabisha, which are Sadak Taras, it can give him successful results. So this is how we can make use of Tara Bala concept to make a job successful. So did you like this concept? Do comment your Janma Nakshatra in the comment box. I'll tell you which nakshatras are favorable for you.